Hello, children. Let me take you for a trip around the globe. Do you ever wonder first to what exactly shape of the planet Earth? Long ago, people thought that was flat like a coin. But later on, when pictures were taken from space, then we got to know that the Earth is actually spherical like sphere. To make the study of this huge spherical Earth easy and a smaller scale, geographers discovered globe of Earth. A globe is an exact model of the Earth, showing the correct shape and location of the continents, oceans, and seas on a smaller scale. It shows the shape and location of the continents and oceans. Different places too can be located on a globe. Continents are large masses of land surrounded by water. Like the Earth as the globe, spherical, we can see only one half of it. The Earth moves on a fixed path called orbit around the Sun. This motion is called revolution. Alongside, it also rotates on its axis. The axis is an imaginary line that passes through the center of the Earth and its poles. Rotation of the Earth results in the occurrence of day and night. Revolution of the Earth causes change of seasons. The axis of the globe has two end points called poles. The one at the top is called the North Pole and the one at the bottom is called the South Pole. Midway between the poles is an imaginary line encircling, which is called the equator. This divides the Earth into north and south hemisphere. A rod passes through the 2 points of the globe. This represents the axis of the Earth on which the Earth revolves. The full horizontal circles are called latitudes. The length of the parallels decreases as we move away from the equator towards the poles. The North Pole and the South Pole are points. There are 180 parallels of latitude in total, 90 in the northern hemisphere and 90 in the southern hemisphere. The North Pole is written as 90 degree north, the South Pole is written as 90 degree south, and equator as only 0 degree. Longitudes are vertical lines. They are semicircles and run from North Pole to South Pole. They are of the same length. The distance between two meridians is maximum at the equator and keeps on decreasing as one moves towards the poles. The meridians cut the parallels at 90 degree and help us to measure distances in the east-west direction. The longitude of a place is measured east or west of the prime meridian. The prime meridian is 0 degree longitude. 180 meridians are to the east of the prime meridian and are marked with capital E. 180 meridians are to the west of the prime meridian and are marked with capital W. Here are some important latitudes: the equator, the Tropic of Cancer, the Arctic Circle, the Tropic of Capricorn, and the Antarctic Circle. The latitudes and the longitudes form a network of lines or a grid on the globe and help us in locating places accurately on the global grid. Thank you.